let's go outside.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my Vlogmas Day 7, and it's 18 days to Christmas. I can't believe that. Okay guys, so if today is the first time of joining me, you're very much welcome. My name is Timdayo, and on this channel we talk about faith, food, fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly do. Hit the like button as well as the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop new videos. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a simple snack called Mosa, and that's made from overripe plantain. So when next you have an overripe plantain in your home, don't throw it away, don't trash it. You can actually make something yummy and delicious from it. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys the ingredients, then we'll go right into it. So this is our main ingredient, which is the plantain. It is overripe, as you can all see. And the next ingredient here is salt. We're going to be needing salt to taste, and pepper, that's habanero pepper, but this is actually optional. If you don't like spicy food, you can do without that. And we also need all-purpose flour. We need warm water and yeast. So I'm using the active dry yeast. So we just need a bowl and a spatula. So let's get into the action. So I just rinse the plantain off, and I'm just going to peel everything. You can decide to cut it into pieces so it's going to be easy to blend. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time, dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. So now we're going to blend, and I'm throwing in the habanero pepper, with banana. Just going to use a spatula to turn it.
Let's go outside.
Okay.
We can hang out on the beach.
Take this out.
Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times.
And pour in the bowl.
Chilling and having a good time.
So I'm going to pour in 2 teaspoons of the active dry yeast. And this is my warm water, just a bit of water.
Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss it.
I'm just stirring to ensure that it's totally dissolved. I don't need to prove this, it's fine. I'm just going to go ahead and put salt to taste. I'm going to sprinkle just a bit of flour and pour in the yeast solution. Then use the spatula to mix it until everything is well incorporated. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time, dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance.
think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
I mean, I like the one of the hardest stuff in the service. You have to for the sequence. Like, who did anyway for the set? But I'm like,
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you do enjoy watching this video. If there's anything you want me to cook or show you guys how to do, kindly leave it in the comment section and I'll definitely attend to it. Please, if you're yet subscribed to my channel, kindly do click the like button and the notification bell. Bye.